How are you doing? Have you ever had a teacher explain something and you found his language to be difficult and could not follow that subject? Do you find it difficult to read from books and understand the concepts? Have you ever wondered how you can spend less time and be more effective? If you are after a way to supercharge your learning and become smarter, the Feynman technique might just be the best way to learn absolutely anything. In this video, we will talk about the technique developed by Nobel Prize winning physicist Richard Feynman. Albert Einstein once quoted, "If you can't explain it simply, then you don't understand it well enough. And if you want to understand anything well, then explain it to someone." Richard Phillips Feynman was an American theoretical physicist. For contributions to the development of quantum electrodynamics, Feynman received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1965. In addition to being a scientist, he was also a great teacher and a great explainer. And in fact, he also earned a nickname of a great explainer because of his ability to boil down extremely complex concepts to put them in simple language that other people could understand. That's why his concept was named after him. You don't have to be a scientist or a physicist to use this concept, because to improve the understanding of any concept in any area, be it maths or history or programming, it doesn't matter. And it could also help you in improving your understanding of general topics that we talk about in day-to-day conversations as well. So here we go. There are 4 steps to the Feynman learning technique. The first aspect is to choose a concept you want to learn about. Then write the topic name on the piece of a paper. Now write out everything you know about the subject you want to understand as if you are teaching it to a child. Not your smart adult friend, but rather a 12-year-old who had just enough vocabulary and attention span to understand basic concepts and relationships. When you write out an idea from start to finish in a simple language that a child can understand, you force yourself to understand the concept to a deeper level and simplify relationships and connections between the ideas. Step 2 is to pretend you are teaching it to some kid. This activity should help you figure out what you understood, but more importantly, pinpoint what you didn't quite know. Identify all the gaps in your understanding of the concept. Next step is, now that you identified all the gaps in your explanation, go back to the source material to better understand it or work through more examples so that your understanding improves on that topic. Fourth step is optional, which is to review your understanding and check if you can further simplify it by removing technical terms or other complicated words. This technique is very helpful to learn pretty much anything and also to understand concepts that we don't really get. Remember stuff you have already learned or study more efficiently. Taking that concept further, you can use this technique to grapple with tough subject matter, which is one of the great barriers of learning. An American philosopher said that when a person says he knows what he thinks but cannot express, usually does not know what he thinks. It often happens that we have learned a subject or a concept like how blockchain technology works or what is machine learning, but when we have to explain to someone or in the interview, we fail to explain. This means we really don't fully understand the concept yet. Feynman says that there is a big difference between knowing the name of something and really actually knowing something inside out. So, how will you implement this technique? If you're trying to learn any new concept or preparing for any exam or appearing for any interview, start using this technique. Find out a 12-year-old kid and try to explain what you learned in simple language and see if the kid understood. If they get it, then you succeeded. What if you think that the concept you are learning is difficult to explain to a kid without technical terms or jargon? Which means you may need to be knowing something better about the subject. Try to find people who can help you understand those subjects or concepts better. A lot of people have already used this principle and they strongly believe that this technique works. There are a lot of people who use this technique to get through medical schools. A lot of teachers and lecturers also acknowledged that how incredibly effective this technique is. So try this technique immediately and let us know what you learned and if it was effective or not. Thank you for watching the video and see you soon in another topic.